What's up, guys? Welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and let's get right into today's stock video. And today is the SPY recap, as usual, our daily SPY recap. Today is June 4th, 2024, and it is a Tuesday. Okay, so this is the line demarcating Monday's trading from today's trading, June 4th, and this is SPY on the 5-minute time frame. So as you know, I trade on the 5-minute time frame, and let's get right into it. So, as you can see, this top line here is the close of the previous month, so the close of May. It's a very important line for going forward, moving forward, and it's part of the ATR that I use, so the average true range. It kind of shows you the distance that SPY typically travels on a day-to-day basis or a week-to-week basis. So, and this one is a month-to-month basis. So this swing ATR is for a month. So it's saying that SPY typically makes a move of about plus or minus $7. So that's what this ATR is showing. Now let's go back. So we start over here. So on this red bar. So as you can see, yesterday SPY finished off in an uptrend, and today we kind of kept that uptrend. Again, let me draw this this line here. This vertical line. So this is where today started. So as you can tell, we gapped down just a little bit. We tried to push to the upside and rejected that last bar from yesterday. So that last move up, which would be technically an order block. We pushed down to the downside, and I'm going to make these pretty big here. And then we formed a micro double bottom. This yellow line is the 20 MA. This pink line is a VWAP. A VWAP is trading above the yellow MA, which means that we have strength in buying. So although we tried to sell off multiple times, we held pretty much that the 20 MA and kept moving to the upside, but we kept rejecting off of the close of the month and also rejected the high or the close of yesterday. So rejected that. We formed a massive wick. I always tell you this. Topside wicks show sellers above. Again, topside wicks, sellers above. We're rejecting this area here. So then we ended up selling off. So let's take a look at the entire day though. So we ended up selling off here, and then we hit the 200 moving average here before flying up. So I ended up getting puts up top here. I came in premature, so I actually, it's not even one of my rules, but I was like, hey, this is such a easy trade, kind of like yesterday. We had a massive topside wick, so I ended up seeing this wick here, and I saw that we kept rejecting, and I actually entered on this wick here, entered up top here. But we pushed down, then pushed back up. Whenever there's a ton of wicks up top and bottom wick, top wick, there's so many wicks here. That means that we're going to probably end up going sideways, okay? And not only do we have wicks, but we have a lot of massive red bars showing that we should get pressure to the downside, but we're not going to get that complete sell-off because VWAP, our volume, is still above the 20 MA, okay? So we're not going to get that complete sell-off. As you know, I always wait for VWAP to cross over the 20, which I didn't this time, and I should have, but violated my rules. Don't ever violate your rules, but pretty much got up top here, and then we ended up getting that sell-off, but the contract prices got killed. I got 1 DTE contracts, so 6/5/2024 contracts, and I got the 5/22 strike price, I believe, or 5/23 strike price. But yeah, we ended up selling off, and the contract started printing. I expected a continued move to the downside, as there was still room to tap the 524.60 level down here and even the 523 level down here. However, we were saved by these bottom side wicks showing you that buyers were stepping in here. Buyers are stepping in on the 200 moving average, this dark blue line. So right on the 200 moving average on the 5-minute time frame, we had a ton of buyers step in and push price back above the volume weighted average price. We then ended up moving to the upside. All right, so we moved to the upside here. Move this over here. All right, so move to the upside here, and then ended up testing this high order block here. So let me draw that. Tested that high order block, sold off, but held on because what did we get again here? We got VWAP crossing up above the yellow line, which is the 20 MA. So when that happens, we have a lot of strength. So we sold off, but we sold only back to the low order block. There's a low order block here as well. So this moved down. So we sold off down to here, which is also the 20 MA. Not only did we do that, but we formed a micro double bottom. Micro double bottoms, micro double tops are signs of reversal. Okay. Micro double top sold off, and we have a massive wick above. Micro double bottom, massive wick below. Pushed back to the upside with a nice bullish engulfing bar crossover the 20 MA, also crossed over VWAP. And we ended up just absolutely ripping to the upside. And we're testing highs. Like I said, we were testing highs. I told everyone in the group that. And we're testing highs, created a double top here, micro triple top up there. And now we're selling back below the 20 MA and also back below VWAP. So towards the end of the day, it looks like we're going to probably sell off just a little bit. Probably going to come back into this range that we traded in the entire day. But yeah, that's pretty much the move. But always waiting, always should wait for a VWAP crossover or a move below VWAP for shorts, and then a move above VWAP for longs. I like to wait for VWAP to cross the 20 for definite shorts to the downside, and then VWAP to cross the 20 to the upside for definite calls. It looks like here we're probably going to get like a little rebound because VWAP is not yet below the 20. We'll probably rebound, tap this high side order block, and then end up selling off with VWAP crossing below the 20. All right, but that is all I had for you guys today in terms of trading the SPY. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Every single day coming with a recap of the SPY. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, your boy, and I'm out. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.